I want to show you how to calculate the area of a circle. And to do that, you need the radius or the diameter. The diameter is a long line through the circle, and the diameter is the half of the diameter.
The radius is the half of the diameter.
Yeah, the radius is the half of the diameter. And here the radius is 31.5. And then to calculate the area, you
So
need...
the diameter is 62.
Yeah, so the diameter...
The diameter is 63.
is 63
Sorry.
centimeters.
Stefan Jensen.
And to
Det er min stopper.
calculate the area, you will say radius squared, which is also radius times radius, and then multiply it by pi, and that will give 3,115.67 centimeters, square centimeters.
And that is the area of the circle.
And that is the area of the circle.